Instagram video chat option not showing. How to fix it? So let's start. First open Instagram account. After that, clicking on the message button top of the right corner. After that, click on search button and select any of the person you like. Here you can see video option not showing. So you can message them hi. After that, you can show this video chat option is now available. In this way, you can fix this problem if your video chat option not showing on your Instagram account. Please subscribe my channel and do share my video if you like that. Thanks for watching.